Hi people, I'm back. Okay, apparently when you disconnect your Ethernet, OBS doesn't detect the switch to Wi-Fi really right away. I'm sorry. Host name for this. Oh shoot. What did I call my? I gotta name my system. I don't have a name for my new system name. I'm thinking of one. Don't say anything out loud. Just type it to me in Telegram. Yes, I had to steal the Ethernet cable from my other laptop. And when I did so, that did kill the stream. I'm sorry, everyone. Actually, did everything refresh? I don't know. What's going on here? You're not in my thing for some reason. Alright, well, I am back. I don't know where everyone is. It's fine.
I just messaged you.
Hmm?
I put gravels.
Yeah, I see you.
Yeah.
I see you. Thanks for the gravels, Nate. And Gravel's coming to help me, especially the yellow one. Help with the communication. I need to rename this. And I can't think of a name. I gotta look up something. I forgot. Every time I get a new machine, I have to rename it, right? So I gotta just look up something. Where's my... Oh, there we go. Blue one is the science. Oh yeah, I need the yellow and the blue one. Well, because... Alright, I think this is the name. This is the name of my new machine. Here, Nate, that's the name.
Okay. I like it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the name. That's the name of my new machine. I got a name! Don't need the domain name for the network. Okay, configure the network. Oh yeah, I need to set a root password. Huh? Okay, I go be right back. Alright, back. Username. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Another password. Be right back. Sorry about that. Was just entering passwords. Did I lose everyone when I disconnected the Ethernet? Red is security, black is special forces, and green is the commander. I like the black one. Okay, partition disk. Thank you. Now I can partition the disk. Start guide through partitioning a disk using different standard schemes, or if you prefer, you can do it manually with guided partitioning. Still have a chance later to review. Choose guided partitioning. Yes, which disk should be used. Manual. Right. Guided partitioning manual. What were you saying to me about the recovery thing? I don't think I need it, right? We talked about that, right?
I would suggest hanging on to. How big is it?
Well, come here. Wait, this is confusing because what did they do? Oh no, I see it. It's the 2 terabytes is right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can leave everything else. I see the 2 terabytes actually.
There should be like 1 or 2 other small ones. One's a recovery.
EFI system is 314 something megabytes. Yeah. There's a Microsoft recovery 134 megabytes. Can you see from there? Yeah. This one is actually 2 terabytes. That's the drive. This is, I don't know what that is. Why is that 24 gigabytes? That's free. Why is that free space? Anyways, that's
just use the one. Yeah, just mess with the one and you should be fine.
Yeah, I just want to change that 2 terabyte. It's going to be partitioned, 2 partitions. Okay, you're editing partition 3. Format it.
Just double check while you're doing that because you still can cancel this.
Double Fay, yes, you see 2 of me, Rachel. Oh, we're having fun. I'm installing Linux right now. Basic. Okay, I don't care about what the name is. Use as. Oh shoot. For Linux, we need to use. Linux is normally ext4, right? Nate? Yeah. But Windows uses. Hold on a sec. Yeah, I want to resize this. It's currently 2. I want to cannot. Wait. No. Let's go back for a second. Okay, this is the part that always scares me when I have to partition the disks using this Debian installer. It gets confusing. Use as, right. Nate, come here. These are the options I have. I want to make sure my instinct is right. Okay, first of all, I want to resize it. But then I think I need to... You can leave the name, right?
I think so.
I think we can leave the name. Basic data partition. Yeah, it's fine. But Linux uses ext4, I'm pretty sure. Right? So I want to use it as that. Right? And then... Oh, okay, yeah. Now I can change this. Okay, I see that. What is the defaults? I don't remember doing this last time. We just leave it, right?
I think you can just leave it.
The mount point does the label doesn't
Change the mount point.
to. Oh yeah,
Just slash, I think.
yeah. That's the root file system.
Mhm.
I remember now. Yeah. Because it's Linux. Linux always has to have a root file system. There's some people go crazy and they do another partition for the home directory, but I'm
And
not gonna.
sometimes other ones as well, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna put Linux on one partition. How's it going, Rachel? What are you up to today? How is Hitman? I saw you switched. I guess you finished the Agatha Christie thing. Yeah, mount point. Defaults, it doesn't need a label. Okay, no, it doesn't need a label. Defaults are fine. Reserved blocks, typical usage, standard parameters. Yeah, okay.
So the other thing is you have to make sure you resize it so you're only using half of it. Did you do that after? I forget.
It's telling me I have to do it now, but I had to make sure to specify everything else,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So I want to resize it. I think that's what I did last time. Resize this. Before you can select a new partition size, any previous changes have to be written to disk. You cannot undo this operation. Please note the resize operation may take a long time. Yeah, so this is the part where it gets scary when you're about to repartition everything. So everything that's on that 2 GB drive is going to get erased, but I don't have anything important on there right now. It was fun. I was just messing about in it. Yeah, I think I have Hitman for free on Stadia right now. I don't know if it's going to go away. Okay, yes. Please note that the resize operation may take a long time. Write previous changes to disk and continue. Yes, we're going to go ahead. Continue. Okay, the minimum size for this partition, its maximum size. No, I want 1 terabyte for Linux here. Oh, you can also use a percentage, but it's whatever. It's a 2 terabyte drive, so I want 1 terabyte for Linux. Okay, partitions formatting. This is always the scary part. Did I partition everything right? Watching someone set up Linux is a new and exotic experience for me. It's like I'm traveling to the Feywild. What? Oh, I'm sure there's other people out there that can do this a lot better than me. Okay, I think Nate likes that one, Feywild. Alright, okay, so now, yeah, okay. So now we've got, here's my partitions here. Right. Yes. Why does it say F on there? I don't know why it said F on there. Okay, go back. Okay, now we have another one. Yeah, so we partitioned that. We reduced that to 1 terabyte. Now I have another 1 terabyte of free space. That's the drive. That's the other half of the drive. And we are going to create a new partition with that one. Maximum size is 1 terabyte. Yep. Okay, now that, what was the previous name actually? Wait, where'd you go? Oh, right here. It was basic data or something. Oh, it's called basic data partition is what they called it. That's what I'm gonna do, basic data partition. Okay, where's the 1 terabyte? Yeah, this one. No, wait. What the hell? Oh, no, okay, this one. It's called basic data partition. I think that's the right name. Continue. Yeah. And Windows still uses NTFS, Nate? Or do I just use No. Nate?
Yes.
I can just put it as another EST4 general filing system, right?
It should be NTFS, but I think you'd get to reformat it anyway when you go to put Windows, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, yeah. That's probably true, actually. Mount point. What? It's not a Linux thing.
Just leave it alone, doesn't really matter.
Huh?
You can just leave it as man, because it doesn't matter.
Do not mount it?
Yeah, I don't see the point, because you're going to reformat it anyway.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, none. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay, fine. That's done setting that one up. Alright, so we've got... Yeah, that's fine. We still have the original stuff. EFI system, Microsoft. That looks like Microsoft Recovery. Yeah, and I still have a chance to undo changes to partitions, but they're fine. Why does one have like a capital F and one has a small f? What is this column mean? Oh, formatted. Format. Yeah, okay. One is bootable. So that's the B is bootable. I don't know why it says K, but okay. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Yeah. No mount point assign. Partition 6. That's fine. Do not go back to assign a mount point. This will not be used at all. Yeah, it's not going to be used in Linux because we're going to install Windows in that partition. No. No, I don't. And we want to continue. Oh shoot, wait, what? You have not selected any partitions. Oh, swap space. Wait, do I not have a swap? Nate, apparently, okay, I don't have a swap. Maybe I should use some of the free space for that.
Checking something.
There's a one megabyte. There's free space on here that should be used. I don't know why there's so much free space. Well, not a lot of free space, but there's like separate things that are labeled as free space, and I don't know why it was like that. Yeah, I forget how much we need for the swap.
Should be the same size as your RAM at least.
What is my RAM again?
32 gigs.
32 gigs?
Mm-hmm.
Then where the hell am I going to get the 32 gigs?
Steal it from the Windows partition or downsize the other one slightly.
I'll downsize each of them by 16.
In my opinion, you can steal it from the Windows one because you're not going to be using that one as much anyway.
I'm going to be using Windows for the games though. 'Cause there are games on Windows that I want to play, Nate.
Okay.
I mean, I'm going to do it equally, 16 gigs and 16 gigs. So that's, instead of 1,000 gigabytes, 1,000 minus 16, honey. What's 1,000 minus 16?
984.
Hmm?
984.
9,000. Yeah, thank you. Oh, wait.
Just before you do that, just wait a second. I mean, you can do it, but just before you commit it, just wait.
Wait. How do I resize? Hold on a second. I think I have to go back. Hold on. I have to redo it to take that 16 away. Wait, what are you looking up anyways?
Just trying to see if you can just leave it on the main partition without worrying about it.
The swap?
Mm.
I don't remember. The installer is saying I don't have a swap partition. I think it wants a partition.
Yeah, it might be worth going back and just putting in.
I'll just undo changes to partitions. Okay, back to what we had first. Sort of, I think. I don't know.
You can just delete the 2000, make the X4. Make
What?
The swap.
Delete what?
The 2000, like you did. Make the X4, make the swap, and then just leave the rest of it because you can use that space later when you set Windows up.
First of all, I have to do one thing first, Nate. The problem is I already have 1 terabyte listed as a partition to be used for Linux. That has to be completely wiped before I change it again.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So what are you telling me to do?
I'm just saying you don't have to explicitly do the Windows one. You can just delete the thing and leave the rest of the space and then do it.
Oh, it's free
later.
space
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah. That's all.
Wait, you're saying I don't actually have to partition the thing for Windows?
No, because you can.
Anyways, this one, I want to change this to, I want to resize erase data on this partition. Yeah. No, let's just delete that partition. Go back to the 2 terabytes. So 984, right?
Yep.
Yeah, and then I need the 32 for the swap.
Yep.
Okay, hold on.
Just let me double check.
984 gigabytes. You said it should be about the size of the RAM.
They say size of RAM, sorry, plus 2 gigabytes is ideal.
Plus 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so 36. No, 34.
Yeah, so then.
That's 17 off, so 983.
Yeah.
983. Yes, Nate helps me get through these. Please choose whether you want the new. What the hell happened? Hold on. Wait. No. Go back. Go. Okay, you nap. Nap you. Find it, yeah. Hold on. Okay, 983. Yeah. I wanted to be at the beginning. Yeah, that's fine. Why is it asking me that? It's asking me that this time. I don't know why it's asking me that. 983 gigabyte partition for Linux. Okay. Beginning. Yes, fine. Partition that disk. Okay. It was a basic data partition was the name, right? Basic data partition. You know, I only do this when I get new laptops, which isn't all the time. I can't remember everything. Okay, and yeah, mount point that, defaults, label. Alright, done setting up that one. Right. Oh, but then why is this? I don't know why there's a 1 megabyte free space and 335 free space. Shouldn't that all just be, I don't know, whatever. Did I just? Oh, just go back. Partition this. Oh, you know what? I know what I need to do. Okay, erase data on that. Yes. No, actually, wait. Delete the partition. Give me back the 2 terabytes. Create the swap first. I'm going to create the swap, which is, I have a 32 RAM, 32 gigabytes of RAM, so 34 gigabytes of RAM. So 34, I got to create the swap. 34 gigabytes of RAM. 32 gigabytes of RAM, so 34 gigabytes for the swap partition that Linux needs. Why did it ask me? Okay, whatever. Okay, and then swap. Should be called swap, right? Swap area. Thank you. Do that. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, there we go. That makes so much more sense. I still don't understand why there's like two other things saying free space. I don't know why there's 1 megabyte free space and 335.4 kilobytes of free space. Like, what's in this? It just bugs me that there's extra free space in here that is not being used. Okay, so this one, no, this is gonna work. Okay, create new partition. Yeah, okay, you know what? Have this be 1 terabyte. Continue. Yeah, okay. What is this? Oh, okay. That's probably the same with this one. Okay, so 1 terabyte. No, I can still do the 1 terabyte for the Linux. Again, right. Basic data partition. Mount point root file system, yes. Okay, done setting that one up. Yeah, okay, good. That is looking right. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. It's 34 gigabytes for the swap that Linux needs, and then all right, Rachel, and 1,000 gigabytes for the on the drive for my Linux machine. Okay, that should be fine. Finish partitioning and write to disk. Just change this name. I don't know why I put caps. What happened? What is it? That's one. What does it say? Ah, no, I completely erased that again. What did I do? Swap. Continue. Oh. Okay. Just trying to make sure I do this right. Okay. This should be basic. Partition. Okay. Yeah, that should be fine. Done. Alright. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense somehow. Alright, okay, finish. Partition. If you continue the changes listed below will be written to the disk. Otherwise, you will be able to make further changes manually. Warning: this will destroy all data and any partitions you have removed, as well as on the partitions that are going to be formatted. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Yes, write that to disk. Continue. Oh. I didn't check. I think it's UEFI. I didn't actually check. But I believe it's UEFI. And but it's also MSI, and I think they put their own kind of graphical user interface for it, so I'm not sure. I think I saw it say UEFI, so. And I can't actually check the BIOS right now. I'm in the middle of installing Linux. Install the base system. Okay, we're getting somewhere finally. All right, so I guess I'm going to be back on the testing version of Debian Linux instead. It's okay using the stable version of Linux, actually. Install the base system, installing base system, install, keep going. This may take a while. Maybe I should get some more food. Yes, and if anybody else wants to know which MSI I got, it's the GS, I believe it's GS66. Let me double check that. Yeah, it's MSI GS66. That's the laptop that I bought. Okay, configure the package manager. Oh yeah. Oh. Package manager. Well, I can always add okay, configure the package manager, Debian archive mirror country. I can always add another country to this later. By just writing into the I can write into the actual Linux file. Okay, so please select a Debian archive mirror. Yeah, we want that one. Yeah, that's a good one. HTTP proxy, don't need that. Configuring the package manager. For people who don't know, on Linux, the package manager is where you get your software for Linux. Alright, select and install software. It's installing, I believe, the base software that Debian Linux will need. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some more food. I actually wonder if I need the internet for this still. You can choose start and restart all necessary restarts to. No, don't restart systems automatically. Let me know. That's fine. I'll be right back. I want to get some more water and I get some more water and I want some more food. This stream might be a while. No, I'm sorry it cut off earlier, but I had to steal the Ethernet cable and OBS did not detect the change. For some reason. Yeah. Okay, this Ethernet cable isn't long enough. Shoot. Maybe if I put it behind me? Yeah, that might be a little better. Alright. Yeah, I don't want to participate in their popularity contests on Debian. This is actually funny. May anonymously supply the distribution developers with statistics about the most used packages on this system. No, I'm not going to bother. Oh, yes. Oh, Linux. No, I don't want to install GNOME. I actually do not like GNOME anymore. They made some changes some while back and I've not gone back to GNOME. I'm actually quite happy with Cinnamon, actually. So I only need to install. Okay, at the moment only the core of the system is installed. To tune the system to your needs, you can choose to install one of more of the following predefined collections of software. Okay, I don't want GNOME right now. Oh. Okay, GNOME is a desktop environment. It used to be pretty good. I stopped using it. I don't think I've used GNOME desktop environment at all. So web server, SSH server. Yeah, and I've been using Cinnamon on my Linux machine for the past 3 years, and it's been pretty good. So, okay, continue. Oh, sorry, I can't see my chat. What's my system doing? It's still installing software. It might take a while. It actually might take a while. I love Linux. I tolerate Windows. Let's just put it that way. I'm actually really surprised Windows is still around, but oh well. I don't know why I keep accidentally hitting my phone and messing up my chat here. Sorry. I don't know why I have this here too. Okay, what can we do while I wait for this to finish installing there? I can do maybe a little bit of Duolingo while I wait. I don't know. I'm gonna eat. I think I'm just gonna eat while we wait for this to start. It's still installing. Actually, how long was the first half of the stream? Because I got interrupted. First half of the stream was about... oh, it was an hour and 15 minutes. Okay. It's capturing the whole screen. For capturing the whole screen, isn't it? That's not good. Let's see if I can change this. Aha, okay. That. Yeah, I can't see what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna try and change something on the fly here. Is that actually the desktop? No, I don't want it to do that. I want it to crop. Oh, this is not cropped properly. Is it? Okay, that's cropped. Oh, it's not cropped properly. That's what's going on. Okay, the top can be cropped by 100. 200? Is that about right? Let's see what's going on. Maybe I'll just do this. See if I can do a window capture and hopefully it doesn't mess up. Window capture. No. Here's my Chrome. New tab. Right there. Let's do that. No, that's not what I want to do. Installation complete. Installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. I expect it to click continue. Continue. Finishing the installation. Yeah, it's gonna reboot, but is it off? Oh, it didn't actually shut off. Oh, shoot. I'll just tell it to quit and restart. Repairing automatic repair. What? No, why are you doing that? You're supposed to boot into Linux, but it's going to boot up the USB. MSI is diagnosing my see. It might have made it a little bit worried. MSI, what are you doing? No, you don't have... I don't know what MSI is doing. Oh, I can't see this thing. I don't know what it's doing. MSI, what are you doing? I just wanted to shut down. Okay. Okay, shut down. Shut down, remove USB, start this back up. Okay, why? Okay, no, I don't need you to repair my thing. Advanced options. So, 2 minutes, turn off. Problem-wise, it's not going to Linux Grub. Yeah, this is UEFI, for sure. UEFI firmware settings. What did I do? What did I do? Why do we not go back into... Oh, maybe that's it. Thank you. That does sound familiar from the last time I had to do this. Okay, I'll turn off the PC and restart it into BIOS. I was wondering what that secure boot option was for. It sounded familiar from the last time I did this, which was approximately about 3.5 years ago. F12, F12, F12. Thank you. Okay, what? Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Of course I did. It's not F12 on this MSI. It's the delete button. Come on. Come on, bring me back to BIOS. Okay, thank you for that. I completely forgot about that, but I had a feeling there was something about that I should have remembered. Okay, boot. So where would that option be? Security? Secure boot? Secure. Yeah, so just turn it off completely. Yeah. Disable that. This is custom. Well, that doesn't matter because it's turned off completely. It's fine. Hold on. Where am I? Secure boot. Disabled. Let's just see these custom options. Just curious. What did I do? Where did I go? Yeah. Yeah, it should be fine. It's disabled. UEFI is a nightmare. You don't like it, I guess? Okay, save changes and reset. Yeah, save changes. Configuration. Okay, see what happens there. Yeah, because I know Windows would have installed Grub, but is it still called Grub? It's still called Grub. Do you use Linux? I'm guessing you do if you know how to do this. Okay. Yeah, it should give me the MSI logo still. No, why are you doing that? You do? Which distribution of Linux do you use? No, I don't want you to diagnose my PC. Ugh. Apparently, no, come on. Apparently that didn't work. Arch Linux? Arco Linux. I've heard about that over years. Occasionally I used to, when troubleshooting, I'd see articles about that. Some of those articles helped because they have similar issues. That didn't work actually, apparently, unless I did that wrong. Which is totally possible. Because I know nothing about computer programming and any of this stuff really. I just go by what we're supposed to do. I'm good at following instructions generally. Okay, let's go back into BIOS and see what else needs to be turned off maybe. Okay, the main stuff's fine. Storage information system advanced. Maybe it's just, what's the option here? Is it going to, like, maybe it's going to the Windows Boot Manager? I'm wondering if maybe it's just going to the Windows Boot Manager. But oh, fast boot. What's the fast boot? Maybe disable fast boot? You can switch this back to legacy. I think the thing is it has boot option number 2 as hard disk Windows boot manager, which is probably the problem. I don't want the Windows boot manager, right? Let's try that. Oh, wait, what's going on here? What's this? No, wait, what's this? Boot option 1, no, Debian. It just says something here. Debian. Okay, boot UEFI hard disk drive BBS priorities. That's the problem. So it was going to the Windows boot manager. I don't want the Windows boot manager. Go away. Oh, so yeah, I think maybe it was going to the USB hard disk, but it was pulling up. There it is. There it is. I got it. Yeah. Okay, there. I see what I have to do. Okay, hard disk Debian now. Now it says hard disk Debian. USB hard disk and network. I don't know if the system will allow install of grub when secure boot was on. Secure boot requires the OS to have digital signature that apparently Linux doesn't have. You might need to reinstall Linux now that secure boot is dead. Yeah, that's also possible. We'll try. I think this might work actually. I'm gonna try this first. I think I had that problem though with my previous installed Debian Linux, and usually I think grub is installed, but it's not pulling it up right away. So save and exit. Save and exit. Save, exit, restart. But yeah, definitely that secure boot has to be disabled. Okay, let's see what it's doing now. I mean, you could be right too. It's totally possible they didn't install grub. Hey, there it is. We got it. Totally possible that grub wasn't installed, but I'm pretty sure Linux always installs grub. Booting Debian GNU Linux. There we go. Oh my god, the font on that is so small. Yay. Okay, I can sign in. I'll be right back. Right after I sign in to my machine. Hold on. Wait, what am I... Wait, what's going on here? Oh, I'm in studio mode in OBS. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Oops. Oh, it's because I changed it. I'm sorry. That's the wrong thing. It was this thing. I'm gonna go back to that. I'll be right back. Well, thank you. While I sign in. I'm back. And there's my Linux machine, everyone. I don't know if you guys can see. Well, that's not my camera. Hold on. That's my webcam. This camera. I don't know if everyone can see the Linux machine here. There's my Debian. There's my Debian. It's got the Debian theme on the background. So yay, I got my Debian, and it's got Cinnamon. It looks like it's all installed. Let's see what applications it's got. Well, it installed Firefox. That's fine. I will install Google Chrome. I don't know anybody that uses Pigeon anymore. I don't know why it's there, and this touchpad is super sensitive for some reason compared to my other laptop. Okay, I don't know anybody that uses Pigeon anymore. So the next problem is I gotta figure out how to install Windows. It shouldn't be too hard. If I recall, I just boot up with the USB installation and just make sure to install Windows only on that one partition. Let's see which files. The terminal has the most basic stuff. That's good. It's this one again. This is Nemo file manager. And this is GNOME terminal. Yeah, because Cinnamon uses GNOME stuff anyways. Didn't the computer come with Windows installed? It did, actually. Yeah, I did choose to dual boot it. I actively despise Windows. I only use it grudgingly for some games and stuff. Grudgingly. Huh? Debian Linux will wipe the... Well, because I use Debian Linux to repartition the drive, so it would completely wipe Windows when you do that with Debian Linux. I don't know if it does that with the Linux distribution you're using, though. It will once I reinstall Windows. Why is that flashing at me? Okay, that's disturbing. Why is this thing flashing? Okay, you just want me to turn Bluetooth on, but what's this thing? Oh my god, it's because I accidentally clicked on the pigeon thing and it started flashing because it thought it had new messages. Okay, remove from favorites because I'm not going to be using that anymore. I used to use pigeon a lot before, but not anymore. And anyways, I will have to fiddle around with this. I don't need printers. Network settings. Oh, hold on. Let me set up my network. Network settings. Yeah, I will have to set up my network on Debian here in a bit. But there's Debian. There's Debian, and there's some preferences, administration, sound and audio. Versero, it's not like I'm gonna burn a disk in Sound Juicer. But all of the LibreOffice stuff is here. Firefox is pre-installed. That's fine. Definitely need that. Inkscape. What I can do is, why is that not dark? Why is that white? Can I change this, please? Edit preferences. Oh, maybe I'll play with that later. Use colors from system theme. Yeah, I'll play with that later. In the meantime, what I want to do is, hold on. Maybe I'll just do that later and just try and install Windows. Otherwise, I'll be here all day. But yes, I don't know what you use for was it Arco Linux? I don't know if you have like a package manager system or something. I like Debian because for their package management, and it's pretty easy to use. So, but it's going to take me a while to install the little software packages that I need. I'm definitely going to have to install OBS Studio on Linux there, and then I have to figure out how to install Steam for Linux and a few other things. Discord. But anyways, that is it. And I usually use the terminal. Article uses Pacman as a package manager. I have heard of that one before. I don't have any experience with it though. How do you like it? Accessories. It has some basic accessories. I'm gonna have to find my favorite stuff. Even if I don't even know how many offline applications I use anymore these days, you know? I mean, I bought a Chromebook this year too recently, and I love it. except for when I don't have internet and I can't sign into my Chromebook. Arco is a rolling release distro, so everything is always the latest. That's good. Linux pretty much is always like updating. And since this is going to be the testing version of Linux now, and not just the stable one, I'm going to expect it to update quite often, actually. Alright, so we're going to shut down the system from here. Yeah, I thought it was weird, because I was like, there has to be a way for me to tell it to, like, boot Debian. And I just found it after I was poking around. Alright. Linux trumps Mac, trumps Windows. I would agree with that. I would agree with that. I'm really actually surprised Windows is still around. Alright, so let's plug in this Windows installation thing. Well, I'm being stupid. That's the wrong. What is going on? Why aren't you? Okay, I was being finicky. Okay, this hopefully should work fine. So let's start up the thing again, now that I have Windows there. I'm going to just pull this back up again. Just so it's there, so you guys see the screen, really. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. Windows Boot Manager, yes. There we go. Preparing automatic repair. I might have to just reinstall Windows. I think it should just reinstall Windows completely. Hey, Manciani. Oh, we have a Ravenfall raid boss. If you know how to play Ravenfall, you can type join. What? Okay. Advanced options. Why we... Okay. No, hold on a second. I don't want to do that. Uninstall, update, system restore. What's this? Change Windows start behavior. No. Okay. I'm not sure that was supposed to happen with the, hold on. No, I think I booted into that thing I didn't want to boot up into. It ignored. I think, but did I change my BIOS and put Debian at the top? I don't think so. I thought I left the USB. Okay, let's go back into BIOS. Why Debian? I like Debian. Nothing wrong with Debian. Okay, let's go back into our BIOS and see what did I do. Okay, there was secure boot disabled, right? No, it wasn't that. It was something else. It was this boot thing. Oh, what? Oh, I needed to boot this thing up. Yeah, it went into Debian instead of that, so I have to switch this. Yeah. Okay, there we go. This one. That one. Why Debian? You don't like Debian? Do you use Linux? After you type join for Ravenfall, you should type train and train one of the skills. Okay, that should be better. Okay, save and exit. And now it should boot up with that. Hopefully I don't screw up what I just did. If I did, if I screw up, I'll just probably have to end the stream and do it over. This could take like 24 hours for me. It's okay, I love Slackware, but it's not updated anymore. Debian is actually really good. And it is updated quite often. Okay. It should be booting from my USB. Right? Windows install. Please. There we go. Okay, it took it a while. Why did you try Slackware? Okay, yay! Let's reinstall Windows. Languages to install. Yeah, it's probably just gonna be that one. Oh, I can't scroll apparently. English. Can you install time and currency format for Canada? Oh, stop that. Keyboard or input method. Yeah, it's gotta be US. That's fine. Okay. Install now. Hopefully this works. Right. It should only... It didn't detect any partitions, so hopefully this works okay. Yes, Windows, I accept your terms. Huh? Then why ask me? Is this one old? Did I download a new one? I don't think so. This is the latest Windows 10. Custom install. Okay, oh, there we go. There's the partitions. Oh, good lord. Unallocated space. I'm just making sure. Yeah, it's tricky. Yeah, there's the recovery. Primary. Okay, yeah, that's right. MSR reserved. Oh, okay, that's what was going on with that. I was wondering what that, like, 128 megabytes of space and 300 megabytes of space was for. Okay, yeah, this one. 922.1 gigabytes. There we go. I'll be happy once this gets installed properly. And how are you, Matsuoni? How are you today? Where are my stats, actually? Magic. I just want to see where I am. Okay, that's good. Okay, yay. Like I said, it was a little easier installing to Windows as long as you don't accidentally install over your Linux partition. But it's easy to figure out because I left it as unallocated space. Just trying to study? What are you studying? Anyways, I'm probably gonna stream until I actually get Linux and Windows running, and then probably have to spend the rest of the night installing stuff that I need on there. I gotta figure out what it is I need to install in there, like which apps. The big pain for me is going to have to set up OBS Studio on Linux and redo all my scenes. Copying Windows files done. Getting files ready for installation 78%. Installing features next. Installing updates and finishing up. And the good thing about this, and I checked beforehand, is that with MSI, I can just download the MSI apps that were already pre-installed. %. Getting files ready for installation still. Alright. How about I do it? Oh, wait. Windows needs to restart to continue? Well. Oh, my food is so spicy. I love it. I love spicy food, by the way, people. Data protection laws? Ah, interesting. Okay, Windows, did you totally mess up? Because it said it needs to restart. Why are we back to this? Okay, no. We did that part. To install Windows most fun. Yes. Take that out, please. Why during the installation did it say it needed to restart Windows? So let's start into Windows. That's the Windows Boot Manager. Why do I have two Debian things? Oh, come on. Let's see this. Windows Boot Manager. Okay, Windows, wait, what is going on? Okay, Windows 10 on volume 5. Is Windows 10 still installed on something else? I'm really confused if I mucked that up. It seems to think Windows 10 is still installed somewhere else, which is very, very confusing to me. Yep, I did install Debian first. But I left some partitions there. So I'm wondering if... But that partition shouldn't even work for running Windows. It's weird. I just don't know why it had two options for Windows there. Okay, what are you doing, machine? It's restarting again. Oh, this is fun. It's gonna keep restarting. Okay, let's do this one again. Yeah. And then they have this one. Why is there two? Hold on. Change the timer. Was there? What's this? So there, why is there another Windows thing installed on here? Or was that my original one? Because that probably doesn't work. I did the opposite way. First one is a space one is that way. I only have one bootloader than this one. Well, technically this... Huh? I should only have one bootloader, but I think I left the Windows bootloader on is the problem. In a partition, that might be the problem. If I mucked it up, I can always do it. Ciencia diffuse. Huh? Yes, you do, Fraguez. Yeah, that's the Windows version that is... I'm wondering if Windows was actually installed on a separate partition to begin with, and then I don't need to reinstall Windows. But, okay. No, it's not working. That one's not working anyways. So let's do this. On volume 5. If I can't figure it out, I'll bug Nate about it later. I'm just not sure it finished installing. I don't know what it's doing. Port to inch? That doesn't sound right. Okay.
I'm Cortana. I'm here to help.
So the other install doesn't need to be there.
We'll have your PC ready for all you plan to
Yeah,
do.
can you go away now? Bye bye. I'm sorry, Cortana. She don't work for English speakers in the Netherlands though, for some reason, so. Why does this look so weird? Per se. She wants to start with region. Yeah, I'm actually in the Netherlands, but I speak English, okay? Windows. Stick with me on this. I know it's a concept that's hard for Windows to understand. I'm in the Netherlands and I speak English. Yeah, US keyboard. Sure. Add another keyboard. No, not that one. Oh, I hate this Aussie scrolling. I want English. What language do you want to use for a second keyboard? No, English, right? And there's a US international keyboard. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, I am connected to the internet. What's wrong? No, not... Why is the only option on here I don't have internet? Why is that the only option? What is wrong? Okay, fine. Just want to discover and connect to the internet. Yeah, okay, whatever. Yeah, oh, okay, connect now. Uh-huh. It's not doing anything. Why is it not doing anything? Windows is not detecting my internet. Okay, fine. Just continue. It's not detecting. You think Cortana is going to be removed in next versions? That's funny. Table here, flip this. What? It's not the 24-hour mark yet. I'm not angry yet. No, stop that. I guess I don't mind having the Windows bootloader, but this needs to be removed, and I wonder how I can remove that other version of Windows. Go back to that one. Okay, I gotta put my name in. Be right back. No, I don't want to use my face to sign in faster and more securely. That's not more secure, I'm sorry. No. Look at me noping out of everything Microsoft wants me to use. Okay, I'll let them use my location. Confirm my device. Send only required diagnostic data. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. No, don't do that either. Only thing I have Face ID on is my tablet because there's nothing of value on it. Just all your activity on the internet, Rachel. Just all the streams you watch. All your TikToks. I'm kidding. I'm not locked in. What? On your tablet? Cute. There's a good chance I screwed up something here, but I'll figure it out. And I don't have the apps on there. Okay. Seriously, face recognition to unlock something isn't necessarily more secure, especially if you have twins or a sibling that looks like you. I've got the this might take several minutes thing. Literally just has random games and drawing stuff on there. Ah, okay. Almost there, it says. Okay, why is this horrible resolution? No. Okay. Yeah. Where's the problem now? Check for updates, of course, but, yeah, what's the problem with the display? Can you... go away, Microsoft Edge. Yeah, it's not detecting things properly. Yeah, definitely not detecting things properly. That's horrible. Okay, let's update. Why are you not connected to the internet? Okay, hold on. Be right back. Well, I figured this out. Show available networks. No. Okay, well. We're gonna try and reset the network settings because something mucked up. Reset? Yes, thank you. Why are you not doing anything? Okay, Linux is... I managed to install Linux fine, but Windows is mucked up. And things like Google Play, I locked them away so my friends can't mess with maps. That's probably a good call. So status, I can't... It doesn't have any adapters. Why? Did I just totally screw up the installing? I probably did. I'm not used to... Why? Hey, for developers. Okay, something weird happened. I don't know. Arg. Okay, I'm gonna shut this down and try to figure out something. Okay, I want to see what's in the partitions again. go into BIOS. Oh, ready. Oh, back to BIOS. Yeah, I don't wanna. What I'm confused about was what is this? Why is there 2 Debian? Not sure why there's 2 Debian. Oof, I don't know what I'm doing wrong right now. Except that maybe if I wanna I wanted to I needed to boot from this, and I'm not sure it did that last time. No. Just discard changes and exit. Save without exiting. See, it loads into, comes up, goes into Linux fine. If I have to do this over again, I will. It's just, okay, that part is fine. That's Linux. That's the Linux login. Okay, shut down. Shut down. Okay. The question is why does Windows wrong thing, plugging this into the wrong thing. The question is, why does Windows think that the version of Windows that was installed previously, why does it think it's not erased? Because maybe it's on the Windows boot up remembers the older installation for some reason. It's weird. Ravenfall Dungeon. Let's make sure it boots up into the USB. Yeah, see, this is my USB drive that I needed to boot up in. I wanted to boot up with that, right? Which starts the Windows installation. But why is there this? And why is there hard disk drive? Hold on, wait, USB hard disk drive. Hold on. Okay, that's fine. And this one. I actually don't know why there's a second Debian here. Okay, but that should be fine, I think. Not at the 24-hour mark yet. I'm not raging yet. So what have you been up to today, Rachel? This will look nice once I get it set up properly. I think I just missed the dungeon. Oh, okay. Dissertation work mostly. Cool. This is going to be my whole day. Maybe a little bit into tomorrow as well. Yeah, that's fine. What's this? Let's try this thing. Or is it just gonna boot into that? I think it's just gonna boot into that. Yeah, that's dumb. I think my brain is not working for this right now. So why does it keep, oh jeez, why do I keep end up back at the Windows boot up when I don't want to be in the Windows boot up? I want to be using the Windows installation that I have, right? This is my Windows installation. Okay, you know what, just install now, right? And for some reason the install didn't work properly because it went to restarting Windows, and I was like, why have to leave? Good luck with your installation. Thank you, Manciani. Thanks for dropping by. Que tenga and buen dia. Okay, yeah, and I want this installed. See, now this is going to drive me crazy because it was on partition 5. But why was there... See, there's a partition drive 6 that has Windows recovery tools. What? What is the MSR drive? What's this MSR thing reserved? And why is 300 megabytes a system? Is this still actually a Windows system? Is that what's going on? I'm wondering. Isn't that's not the Linux one at all. Well, I won't do anything with it now. I'm just going to try and do this again. Install Windows here. Okay, you know what? Yeah, let's just format that. Let's delete. It's just going to say the same thing, but it should be fine. Let's just do this. Format that one. Okay. Right. Next. Alright, I'm gonna turn on the lights. Wrong light. I think I gotta look up something. Okay, maybe the problem is I created that USB on Windows and not a Linux one. I don't know. I don't think it would matter. And so it says Windows needs to it's gonna go into my, it automatically restarted and it's gonna go to my USB. Oh, actually, it restarted properly. No, it didn't restart properly. Why are you going back to Windows Setup? Okay, no. Yeah, yes, let's cancel that. Yeah, it's gonna go back to it. Well, it didn't say to remove. Okay. Let's just shut this off from here. All right. Now, okay, so now we've got this boot, hard disk, Debian. right? Why do they have that in that? I don't understand. But this is neat though. I don't mind it having the option to go into the Windows boot manager. But now it thinks I have 5 different. I think I have. Oh, oof. Why? Oh. Okay, wait a second. Oh, jeez. What's this gonna do? No. No, I don't think that's what I need to do. I need to... Why does it think I have 3 different versions of Windows installed? That's the biggest thing I don't understand now. So I tried reinstalling it and it still thinks I have these versions. How do I remove those? That's so bizarre. Let's see what happens here. Okay, I think I might need to take a nap and come back to this later. My brain is tired. Windows boot up. I don't understand why I can't delete the previously installed Windows. How do we do that? Because it seems to want to keep like an old version every time. Jeez. Oh. That is so bizarre. Oh, back to Linux. Well, I'm glad I have Linux here. I can't seem to get Windows working properly. Come on. Oh, hey. There's only 2 now. What? Last time they showed me 3 and then I rebooted and now there's 2. Just keep trying to reboot into Windows. I'm gonna need a nap.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little.
Okay, let's try this again. But I don't know why it's not installing properly. Hey, Cortana. Yeah. Well, apparently, they also told me that Cortana doesn't work with the language and the region that I picked. So screw you, English speakers in the Netherlands. Cortana will not answer you. It actually did tell me that. It hurts, I think it hurts Microsoft's head to think that there's English speakers in the Netherlands. It's stupid though, because like Dutch people just speak English all the time. Okay? Okay, region, is this right? No, I'm in the Netherlands. So let's hurt their heads. I'm in the Netherlands. Dutch practice with Windows? No. No, 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 no. I get enough Dutch practice with the websites. even the Dutch speakers here don't put their Windows into Dutch. They leave it in English. At least some of them that I know of. I mean, I was commenting on that. And then one of the Dutch guys here was saying, he doesn't even put his phone into Dutch. Let's skip that for now. This is the part that screws up. It tells me I need to connect to the internet and doesn't give me any other option. How do I turn on Cortana again? She told me earlier and I forgot. So why is this not connecting me to the network? Okay, that was the initial problem, and then I had more problems. Windows install, not connecting. Okay, connect to the network. Oh, wait. Install new Windows install can't connect to internet. Yeah, thank you. Search for that. Apparently, Nate, I think the network card is too new for Windows as well.
It's probably a driver on the other side.
Hmm?
It's probably a driver on the other side.
Oh. Yeah, but this is what I have right now, and how do I do that?
The rest of you on the other system.
Huh?
Go to the MSI site on any other system, see if it has a driver, copy it to USB, and copy it over.
Copy it over where? I'm still trying to set up Windows. Sorry, brain not processing what you're trying to tell me.
My brain's not processing what you're trying to tell me.
I'm in the middle of installing Windows and it won't finish installing. It won't finish setting up because it can't connect to the internet for some reason. It is. It's connected to the Ethernet cable, actually. That's why my stream cut out earlier. I pulled the Ethernet cable off of the laptop I'm streaming from and put it in the new laptop. And OBS went, we don't detect any Wi-Fi, even though it was there. Wondering maybe the... Maybe I'm using the wrong install. Is what I'm wondering, because I created the install USB from a Windows machine. I don't know if that makes a difference, Nate. You were saying the other day I should create the Windows install from... Yeah, but let me finish saying something. Let me finish saying this. That's cute, Nate. I don't to. Alright. I think I need to take a break anyways, though. Because I think what I'm going to do is maybe just recreate the USB install. I gotta recreate this and see if that's might be the problem. Give me a minute, people. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, I'm back. Okay, we're trying this again, and hopefully it works. I think it's the apparently the display driver is too advanced for Windows. Yes, this is what we get, Nate. Oh, sorry, Nate.
Looks right.
Okay, searching for display driver.
Mm-hmm. We don't have those yet, so that's fine.
Okay, but it's also not. I also can't update either.
Yeah. So what you need is go here. You have this. I gave this to you earlier.
Hmm?
The link to the site with the drivers.
Oh, what are you pointing at? Oh, okay. Can you format this for me actually then?
Yeah.
That should be, it should pop up and say Debian 9, but you can
Okay.
just completely format that.
Or I can just get it for you because I have it open right here. So
Hmm?
I can give you the driver because I have it open right here.
Yeah, you need to put it on a USB.
I know what I'm saying.
Yeah, but you're gonna put that on a USB and just give it to me. How are you gonna give it to me otherwise? Hey, you got into this. So did I go? I failed to install Debian on my laptop, so I tried Fedora and it went smoothly. Oh, I'm not having trouble with Debian right now. I'm having trouble with Windows. But that's cool. Has some people like. I've heard some people like Fedora.
My system is not even detecting this thing.
Hmm?
My system isn't even detecting this to format it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No, it's not detecting this at all.
What? Well, how am I supposed to copy the file over?
A different USB thing.
Huh?
Use a different USB thing.
I don't have one to do.
Don't I have one somewhere?
I don't know. We did buy you a USB
So, yeah.
flash drive somewhere that you could use. I have tons. I tried after watching a video from Torvald saying that's what he uses. Yeah, actually, yeah, he did start using that, but he actually did create Debian. No, actually, no, he didn't create Debian. He just created Linux.
I know we have more of these things lying around.
You can't detect this thing? That's so weird. Okay, let me see if I can format it. Oh, sorry, this is a Debian 10 one. Oops. So that might be why. Hold on. I have one. Might have one. I gave you the Debian 10 one, which is not the one.
This will be fine.
Sorry, this is the Debian 9 one.
It's fine, I have one. I'm gonna give it to you.
No, the problem is there's the system that I bought is really new, and apparently the install that I have for Windows doesn't recognize what's on the system. That happened with Linux too, but we figured that one out pretty quickly. Yes, I did actually. I already installed Debian. We're installing Windows right now. I'm trying to solve this. No, I don't need to look at Microsoft Edge right now. Go away. And how are you? And welcome to my channel.
Just give me a second.
I could probably download it myself.
No, I'm already doing it.
I just needed you to format the USB because it wasn't formatted for it. What did I just do with that one? This one's the Debian one. This one's the Debian 10. Actually, I'm not sure which one's which. Actually, they might both have Debian on them now. That might be why you can't read it, Nate. One was
The only weird thing is it didn't even detect it as a USB thing, so I could format it.
this one's Debian Bullseye. This USB is Debian Bullseye. That's fine. That's what we're using. Yeah, no, actually, I did give you the right one to erase. I don't know why it didn't work. Yeah, I did make a dual boot system. I've been using dual boot Linux and Windows for some years now. It's just I never remember what I do when I dual boot things, and I just always end up winging it. Some months ago I had a horrible bug on Windows XP on my laptop. I couldn't fix it, so I ditched Windows entirely, installed only Fedora. I'm using Windows nowadays mostly just for the games, so I do actively despise Windows, but I am reluctantly using them for using Windows for some games. I was anxious about it, but with hindsight, I'm glad I did. So you don't miss Windows? I think a lot of streamers still use Windows because of all the additional stuff they can add to their streams, but sorry, Nate, you said something?
No, I'm just copying the file. I just want to take a second.
Oh, okay. Okay, this one, I don't know why you couldn't read this.
My Windows just doesn't even see it at all.
It's a boot up. It's the Debian boot up.
Yeah.
So maybe it just didn't wanna.
No, but it's like it doesn't detect the device.
That's bizarre.
Yeah, it doesn't even get to the stage of like trying to detect the format of it or something.
Yeah, I used to just play games only on Linux, but I actually it's not just about playing the games, it's about being able to stream some of the games using and it's actually pretty hard. The last time I checked, it was actually pretty hard to run something like Star Wars: The Old Republic on Linux. Most of the Steam games will probably run, and especially with the newer system, I'm expecting I should be able to stream Windows games from Steam to my Linux machine. That should work okay, if that made any sense. Okay, that's not gonna work. Is this still copying?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
My system's released, that drive is released on USB.
Linux tech tips. I usually just look things up when I'm like about to play a game or something, or if I need help. I don't spend a lot of time reading about Linux. I just like to use my computer. Which is why it's like I only do stuff like this about every 3 years. When I get a new laptop, I have to like reinstall everything, which is a pain, but whatever. Okay, I don't like Microsoft Edge. Go away. I know that's not going to get rid of it completely. I'm not going to uninstall Microsoft Edge, really. Yeah, okay, I just don't need icons all over my desktop with the screen. Ravenfall raid, everyone. There is a raid boss in Ravenfall. So Nate, so that was for what? That was for which drivers?
All of them. That's why it's taking a minute to copy. It says 60 seconds.
Oh, you're right. I didn't even think about that. I'm sorry. You probably did tell me that earlier, that I need to copy all the MSI drivers.
Well, technically you could download them after you just installed the Ethernet driver, but I might as well just grab them all. And then you'll have them.
Well, yeah, I guess.
They're already downloaded, it's done. I'm just copying them to the drive, that's all. The download was faster than the copy.
Yeah, I do see it. It says a killer LAN driver.
Yeah, that's the one you need.
So you grabbed all of them, Bluetooth, chipset, VGA.
Everything, yep.
Hey, Andy! How's it going? Yeah, computer stuff, but I'm about to get tired and go take a nap and come back to this in a bit. But I think we almost have everything done. Almost. Or at least the basic installation. Debian is installed. The only other thing, Nate, is for some reason the Windows boot up thinks that the first installation of Windows is still there.
That's possible, because I don't think we checked to see if it had 2 drives and we only deleted 1 partition, so fake repartitioned it into 2. It could be that the boot partition for the old one is still there.
Yeah, but what am I supposed to do with that? Like,
Just remove it.
yeah, but if I remove... Are you having trouble taking a disk out?
My laptop is so thin I can't get underneath this thing to pull it out. Anyways, the killer one's in there.
Alright. Yes, computer stuff, Andy. How are you today? Oh, okay, I don't know my laptop yet. I'm like plugging this into the wrong spot. What the heck? Do I have it the right way up? Okay, yeah, I do have it the right way up. It's just this USB drive is so tiny. It's gonna break, I swear. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I got a new laptop, so now I gotta do this. Okay, why is it not detecting anything? Oh, here it is. Oh, it's drive D. Duh, okay. Okay, what do I need to do, Nate?
The killer... Most importantly, you need to install that killer stuff.
Okay, setup, open. Okay, fine, yes. Show more details. Yeah, that's fine. Yes. Does it have a good graphics card? Oh, it should. I don't remember what it is right now. I don't remember anything after I buy it. It's this laptop. Oh, thank you, Nate. You can go look up that laptop. RTX 30, yeah. It doesn't say 3070, it just says RTX 30 on the actual thing here. The sticker. It's a pretty good laptop, actually. It has some really good specs. Yeah, the laptop version of it. Obviously, yes. Because they can't put the proper version on in laptops. They actually can. They work actually pretty well with Linux, the NVIDIA cards. I had problems in the past getting, is it ATI, AMD? Graphics cards to work in Linux. That was fun. I used to play Windows games under Wine on Linux, and that would just be kind of like a few hours of torture before you could play a game. Okay, let's install this. All program features installed. Yeah, complete please. What? Oh. Okay. That's good for him, I guess. I mean, I know he came up with the idea for Linux. And ridiculously overpriced laptops. Huh? Like 4,000 GBP range. You can get the full desktop cards, but those laptops are ridiculous and super hot. Alright. Okay, finally. Do I need the killer control center too, Nate?
In my opinion, no, but if you want to go ahead.
Why do I need it?
It lets you optimize your network for gaming and streaming.
What is all this? Okay, that's fine. Okay, it seems to, I don't care about the default browser thing. Actually, I don't even need to copy the drivers over, Nate. They have setup files in the folder. Yeah. So the question is, okay, that was the Ethernet one. Where's the one for the LAN?
Probably probably was the land.
No, that was kill. Oh, that could. Wait, was it? Actually, maybe it was. It was the whole suite. No, no. Wait. Let's see if I can set up. Let's see if I can set up my internet. Be right back. Okay, yeah. Let's set up my. I don't know either. Let me go look at the MSI site. I can tell by looking at the MSI site. Sorry about that, everyone. Wireless. Intel wireless LAN driver.
The problem is
But I don't know what the folder is in here. What did you download? All of them?
yeah. I think it might be the PHWFW one, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, it is. PHW. I just clicked on the download and just
Yeah.
cancel.
Yep.
Okay, PHW. Open. Alright, docs. Oh, come on. Let's release notes. This one doesn't have a setup file, Nate. Oh, 164. Installer. Setup. Wireless setup. Okay, fine. Do that. I found an adamantite nugget. Nice. I'm starting to get tired though. I need a nap. I didn't really sleep very much. And oh, my laptop, the new laptop has the wrong time for sure. It's completely the wrong time. It's about 9 p.m. But before I continue with this, Nate, the other installation of Windows is broken and it can't be fixed. So how do I get rid of it later? Just delete that partition, but I don't know which partition it is. I'll have to figure it out.
Say again?
Nate not following me.
Not following.
I told you, Windows boot up thinks the old installation of Windows is still there. I gotta get rid of that somehow.
Okay.
Before I continue installing with this one, how do I get rid of the other one? You said to delete the partition.
Yep.
Should I just do that in Linux with gparted or something?
You can do it with disk management, Windows. Disk management, whatever they call it.
What the hell? Intel software installer. Following extensions are blocked. What the? Okay, we downloaded this stuff from MSI, okay, people? Hey, Newbie Cake, how's it going? How are you today? Oh, I'm getting tired. I don't like doing this stuff all the time. I don't like doing this stuff for a whole day. Sometimes it's required. Okay, try this again. Wireless setup. We did that. Oh, no, run. Oh, Nate, this is not working for some reason. Why? What did I do? This, for this thing. I had an installer. I did wireless setup. I did this. It said I extract the files, and I did. And then, but I can't think straight now.
You have to figure out where you extracted from there.
Yeah, over here. But what's stupid is that it automatically the Ethernet just went weird. Hmm?
Seems like it's still working.
No, the Ethernet cable went weird on me or something. And then for some reason my Windows Explorer closed on me. Okay, why did it want me to extract that? Seriously. I have no idea why, but it just like... Yeah, I'm doing a dual boot. I'm just having problems with Windows. Windows is not cooperating. Oh, actually, wait. What's this thing? No, that's not... Did they have instructions for this on the MSN site? MSI site?
No.
Please.
Probably you have to go to, if it's not automatically installing with an installer, you probably have to go to device manager and find the device.
No, there are instructions on here.
Yeah. Then you have to ignore me and just go read the instructions and tell me to shut up.
No, you're smart. Most of the time you do a good job. Sometimes you just get a little too like... I mean, I forgot that there might have been instructions that I should read. Go to the location UWD Win60 WD Win64 drivers, right? Yeah. Right click on this one. And that's nice, except that I don't know what the extension is. Oh, 04, 06, and 08, and select install. I can't select install. Or do I have to select them separately? It's not saying. No. I'm reading the instructions for wireless LAN Nate on the MSI site. And it's just being, okay, how about, what happens if I say open? Oh, okay, well maybe, yeah, which one's the INF file? I'm looking for a file with the extension INF. Is there, do you remember if there's a way to show the extensions on here? Details in Windows.
Usually on the right. You can-
File name extension, found it. Thank you. Okay, yeah, I definitely clicked. No, I clicked on the right thing. Right click on this and select install. All I get is open. Open, cut, copy, delete properties. I thought most recent laptops have their base driver suite on Windows Update. You'd think this is a pretty new laptop. Even Linux stable version didn't have the right drivers for something. So thanks, MSI. But I'm looking at the instructions on the MSI site and it doesn't compute because they're saying select install. Am I in the wrong folder? Because Nate just downloaded all the drivers at once, so I don't know what I'm looking at. I think that's the right folder. No, that's not it. Yeah, it is it. Actually, no, it is it. Okay. Oh, some of the drivers that are missing from the MSN site. It just doesn't seem to compute right because they're telling me that I should be able to select install and I can't. Let me try something. This always happens every time I get a new laptop. Well, approximately every 3-4 years when I buy a new laptop and I have to do this stuff. This always happens. Let's just eject that for now. Let's see. Okay, that. It's just. And then I'm gonna spend another full day setting up, like, installing applications and stuff on both Linux and Windows. What's this one? Yeah, the wireless LAN. I'm trying to get the wireless LAN working. That's the right one, right? It's still wireless LAN. Go to the location of INF file. Yeah, I did. Drivers. Yeah. And right click on this one. Just right click on that one, that one. It just says open. Nope. Not doing what they think it's supposed to be doing. Okay, maybe I should try installing the other drivers. Well, we installed the killer LAN driver. Intel Bluetooth driver. And how are you today, newbie? How's life treating you? Other than Windows being kind of finicky, Windows and thing being finicky with this installing thing. This should be exciting. Got a new laptop. Bluetooth, Intel Bluetooth driver. Okay, let's try this one. Or actually, maybe it's because I need to be in the file folder? I don't know. Try this. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it was the extracted files that I needed to do that on. Okay. They did not say that clearly in their instructions. That's fine. Yes, please make changes. Please continue making changes. Figured it out. Okay, operation complete successfully. There we go. Yay. That should be the Wi-Fi. Oh, I have Wi-Fi. Yay, I have Wi-Fi. Okay. That's good, we have Wi-Fi. Might still need the Ethernet later. Okay, so Bluetooth. The Bluetooth one is BTW. Which one is that? This one. Okay. Bluetooth. It doesn't say how to install it on the website, so what does it want us to do? Wireless setup. Yeah, it's not telling me which one. I don't know which one I'm supposed to do. Nate, what's the UWD after Windows 10? This is for the Bluetooth that you downloaded. It gave me both a folder with Windows 10 and a folder that's called Windows 10 _ UWD, and they both have install. I don't know which one I'm supposed to use. What's this?
Presumably UWD is like more modern than that. At least in terms of the packaging of the driver.
Whatever that means.
It might be literally the same thing inside the package.
Okay, fine. What? How about just click run? No. You have to actually... Okay, why create a setup? Why do you create a setup file and tell me I have to extract first? Oh my god. Life's been as good as it can get with half a night of sleep every night. Oh. That seems familiar. Apparently I have to extract the files first. Why create a setup file that's going to tell me to extract first?
Probably because it doesn't want you running it directly from the zip file.
Yes, but I thought the whole point of having a setup file was that you didn't have to extract anything, you just had to run the setup file! Jeez, people! See? Linux, I expect minor little bumps, and usually I get past them, because with Linux it's just I don't remember precisely what I did before last time I set up Linux, but usually I end up setting up Linux okay. But when I get to the Windows side, I'm just like, what? EXI on the side, probably ARC. Yeah, probably. Yeah, it is. Definitely. Try this again. Yep. There we go. Uh-huh. They just wanted to have everything like underneath something else. Windows Phone likes to open up. So that is probably true. This is another reason why I don't like Windows. Yeah, complete driver install from my Bluetooth. Okay, next one. Let's install the chipset. Intel chipset driver, and again, no instructions this time. All right. I think I see how they did this now. I caught on to it. This is what folder? CS _ chipset. Yep, same thing. Extract all. Oh man. Well, we're not at the 24-hour mark. Usually when I've been trying to like set up something for up to 24 hours, that's when I start to get really like, it's taking all day. It is taking all day. It wants me to exit all programs before continuing. Okay. Next. Accept. Install. Yes. Intel our chipset device software. Wait, did it fix my display? I can't tell. You have successfully installed the following product. Just restart this computer for the changes. Restart later. Okay, what is that thing? Hold on, I just want to check my display settings. I think they did update the display. Yes, we're on normal display. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, yeah, my display is normal now, Nate. That was cool. Alright, next one. That was the chipset, and I do need to restart Windows. What's this? VGA driver, Intel graphics driver, and then NVIDIA graphics driver. Okay, what's this? Win64, okay. Thanks for copying this, Nate, though.
Figured I might as well do it as soon as it
Yeah, it would be better than just trying to download it on the website. Over, like, just pinging the website again and again and again.
Plus this way you can easily just make a backup of them really quick when you have them.
Did I press enter? Hold on. I don't know if I pressed entered. Press enter. Did I even go to the right folder? Hold on. I did, actually. No, I didn't. What? Oh, wrong one. It's this one. Installation readme text. Why do you have two readmes? Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm starting to get tired, so I might just continue this later. Wait, what just happened? Okay, fine. Guess I found it. What? Okay, maybe come back to that one in a bit. Then Intel. What's this one? Oh, jeez. They didn't give me instructions, so I'll try this one again. Or maybe that one actually just popped up because it was like slow. Yeah, that was just not. Okay, okay, go back to the other one then. What the hell? What's this one then? Installation readme. This one. Platform. Oh my god. Oh. think I'm just getting tired. Lots of instructions. No, I want to install this. Where's the... To install? Double click on the file you downloaded and choose extract all files. Yeah. What's this auto run? No. Probably just this. Yep. Extract all. Here we go. Extract all. No, I'm pretty much just gonna give this USB back to you, Nate.
That's fine, because it's not mine, so...
Huh?
I think it's Marco's.
This was yours.
No, I'm pretty sure it's Marco's. I think he gave it to me because I was copying the Star Wars stuff for him.
Shh.
Yes, I'm a Yar pirate.
Extracting. I am getting sleepy. I want tea. I didn't have tea today. Well, this is what I get for completely like wiping the whole system, installing Linux and reinstalling Windows. To reinstall all the drivers. Huh? But I hate Windows, you know? I'd rather just use Linux only. But then that's also a bit of a pain when you have to try to like play games through Wine or something. I think the only game I really... Actually, no. What did I play on Wine again? I played Sacred. I played Sacred through Wine.
Mm-hmm.
And I played Sid Meier's Civilization 4 through Wine. But it was that was a chore to set up, honestly. People... Sometimes just dual boot and be done with that part of it, but... Okay. Number one reason I still like playing games on a console. It just works. It's alright. Speaking of which, I think PlayStation 5 updated last night. Everybody who owns a PlayStation 5, you should have got an update. And hopefully I will be back tomorrow evening with some more Assassin's Creed Valhalla on PlayStation 5. Do you think they're ever going to fix the HDR thing on Valhalla?
Supposedly the last PS5 update did something with HDR. So.
But that would just be PS5, not necessarily Valhalla.
No, it's supposed to detect if the content doesn't correctly support HDR and then automatically turn off HDR on the console so you don't have to keep switching it yourself.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Oh my god, it's extracting 259 items! Yeah, it might take a while for me to set up Windows, but it looks like the base installation of Windows is there now. And I got the Ethernet, and I got the the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is working. This is actually taking longer than the Linux side. But anyways, so this is the basic installation of Windows. What did they give me? Standard stuff. Yeah, Cortana. And Killer Control Center, Intel Graphics Command Center, we installed that. NVIDIA Control Panel, we got that. That's cool. Oh, Thunderbolt Control Center is still here, Nate. Oh, but might not be until the weekend before I can actually do something fun on this new system. Alright, I wonder how long it's going to take to install the other stuff, because I have that one. That's the NVIDIA graphics driver, I believe, that's installing right now. That I'm trying to install right now. And then the Intel graphics. Why did they give us two? Why do I need both the NVIDIA and the Intel one? Oh, yeah, okay. One's the graphics card, one's the...
You have two graphics cards.
Yeah. And I have, wait, how many more things do I have to install? 1, 2. Oh yeah, for the touchpad, that'd be nice. 3, 4. 5. Where did it land? What do I use Linux for? Everything. I study a lot of different languages and I prefer the Linux keyboarding to Windows. I can type English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, any of those languages with one keyboard instead of having to switch. It's pretty painful switching, especially when you're doing multiple languages. Killer Land driver. And I honestly do hate Windows. Linux is also free. So I actually really like the fact that a lot of the stuff is open source and free. VGA. Yeah, I installed the LAN and the wireless LAN already. Oh, Nate, that Nahimic thing is an audio driver, along with Realtek. Okay. Thank you, Mike. 225 bad sirens. Bad sirens, bad. Die, sirens, die. Yes, they're loud here. Go away. Alright, we're done with that. You know what? This is turning into a very long stream. I think we're hitting the 3-hour mark. This is gonna be a while. I could easily be here all night doing this, and I think I need some more sleep to continue doing this. But what's the setup thing? Why is it? They didn't really explain to me how they want me to set this one up. Well, we extracted it. Oh yeah, they did actually. Yeah, I extracted it, so, and then, no, not that. Why? So it's gotta be this. Yeah. Let's set up that one. Okay. But honestly, the painful part right now is installing Windows, and this is why they use Linux. It's painful because Windows is painful. What am I doing? Yes. All right. Ravenfall Dungeon. Okay, let's see if it installs my my driver here, and then hopefully try to install the next driver. Hopefully by tomorrow I get most of this set up, and I think it's... What did it just do? What did it just do? I don't know. Probably just adjusted... I think it just adjusted the display. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it here. This is gonna take all night, installing all these drivers. I didn't even think that we had to install the drivers like that, but it's alright. That's what I get for wiping the system, just because I want to do a boot it. So let's say we find somebody to go raid, go drop in on. Let's see what's going on Twitch right now. Because I'm getting tired and a little sleepy. I think I need a nap. And then I'm going to continue this. I will continue this to when I get back up. I'm going to try to get this all done by tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, maybe, hopefully. Who's doing... Let me just check out these categories. Next. Yes, I want to restart computer later. Let's see if I can start the other one. USB driver. What was the other one? Was this one that was having problems and saying something? I actually might have to restart. No, actually, maybe that'll work. Will that work now? Yeah, okay. Yes. Oops. Okay. So who's this? Let's check out what's going on let's check out what's going on on Twitch tonight. Excuse me. Then shout out Nate Kicks. Nate Kicks was just in the background helping me with this. Mostly because it's in his best interest that this goes smoothly. Let's see. A couple of people we can drop in on, I guess. Or do we want to go check out the science and tech category? Yeah. I'm not a very sciencey and techy person, not generally. Not by any means. Why is somebody streaming in science and tech and they're just playing Fortnite? Why do people do this? Like, How is that science and tech? Someone's playing Fortnite. Why are they in the category? Hurts my head, really. Alright, so let's do... let me just see. Hold on a second here. Why can't I see this person's stream very well? Okay, I can't tell what this person is learning. I guess just English and Spanish. Alright, we're gonna just drop in on, we're gonna rate somebody. We're gonna drop in and rate somebody. Please say, if you're there, please say NinjaBot raid. Where's my stream manager? No, wrong thing. What am I looking at? Oh, okay, yeah, there's my stream manager. Alright, yeah, we're gonna drop in on this person. Please say NinjaBot raid. Somebody is, I guess they're studying English or Spanish or something. I'm not entirely sure which way it's going. It's going some way. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna take a break while I continue doing this stuff, and I will be back tomorrow evening with some more Assassin's Creed Valhalla on PlayStation 5, and that will be 7:30 p.m. Central European Summertime, UTC +2. Okay, so let's just say bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out while I go through this. This is always stressful for me. And where's my raid command? Actually, I don't need to see that. Raid. Alright. NinjaBot raid time. Let's get ready for the raid. Alright. Night night, everyone. Raid now. Thanks for watching. See you all later, and I'll be back tomorrow evening. NinjaBot incoming. Bots.